Alright, let's find the common difference of this AP. Solution. Okay, we are given that the third term, that is T3, okay, of an AP is 9. Now recall that Tn is equal to A plus bracket n minus 1d. Here, n is 3, Tn is 9, okay, and we have that the common difference, if the first term is 5, that is our A here is 5, we are required to find D. So substituting to this formula, you have 9 is equal to A is 5 plus our n is 3, that is 3 minus 1 multiplied by D. So you have 9 is equals to 5 plus 2D. So collect like terms. We have 9 minus 5 is equals to 2D. So that 9 minus 5 is 4. We have 2D. Divide through. Divide by 2, which is the coefficient of D. So you have 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2D divided by 2. So this can go. Therefore, D is equals to 2. This is the common difference, okay? This is the common difference. Alright, let's find the value of x and y in this diagram. Solution. Y is equal to 2 angle BAC. That is y is equals to 2 bracket 60 degrees. What is our reason? Angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. Good. So y is 2 multiplied by 60 degrees, which is 120 degrees. Now x plus y is 360 degrees. 60 degrees, that is sigma of angles at a point. So we have x plus 120 degrees is equals to 360 degrees. Now x is equals to dash. Share your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching. For the proof of this problem, check my previous lessons. Thank you. Solve this question on AP. Here we are required to find the first term and common difference. But let me first find the common difference, which is a bit harder. Then to find the first term is just to substitute the value of D in any of this equation. So T5 is A plus 4D, which is 17. T9 is A plus 8D, which is 29. So we are going to solve this as a simultaneous equation by subtracting equation 1 from 2. So that is why we have A plus 8D, which is equation 2, minus A plus 4D, which is equation 1, equals 29 minus 17. You notice here that this A will cancel this A. So 8D minus 4D, that's why we're having 4D, which is 12. Now divide through. Divide through by 4, which is the coefficient of D. So 4D divided by 4 will give you 12 divided by 4. D is equals to 3. This is common difference, okay? Common difference. Now A equals to dash. Share it in the comment section. Just use this A and substitute in any of the equations above. Thank you for watching. Okay, let's make B the subject of the formula, that is expressing B in terms of other variables there. Solution. Alright, now this is a formula for area of a trapezium. So we are given that A is equal to 1 over 2 bracket A plus B, all multiplied by H. Now first multiply through by 2 to clear the fraction. So multiply through by 2 so that I can have A times 2 is equals to 2 times 1 over 2 bracket A plus B, all multiplied by H. So I can have here 2a is equals to, this can go, I will have a plus b all multiplied by h. Now this part now is still same as a times h plus b times h, bh. So 2a is equals to ah plus bh. Now since it's b that we want to make subject formula, we are going to subtract both sides by ah. So I will have 2a minus ah is equals to bh. Now divide through. Divide through h, which is the coefficient of b. Alright, so I will have 2a minus ah divided by b is equals to bh divided by h. Oh, please, here is h. So you have 2a minus ah divided by h is equals to bh divided by h. Now this can cancel. You now have, therefore b is equal to 2a minus ah divided by h. So this is the answer when b is made the subject of the relation. Thank you for watching.